All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to be replacing my third brake light. I think it's also called like a high mount light. So let's get straight into it. So here's the new one. I'll go ahead and post two or three links for options that I think would look nice or of quality. I've read all the reviews. So after reading all the reviews, this is the one that I ended up purchasing. It did come with some instructions. So strobe enable switch. There's a switch. And what it says is that when you turn it on, the LED third brake light will quickly blink 5 times when you hit on the brake. All right, I don't want that. You can continue reading on the screen, but so I mean, my switch is going to be off, so that when I press the brake pedal, that's the only thing showing up. I thought this one was pretty cool, which is the one, which is why I bought it. Period. But yeah, this one is plug and play pretty much. And the switch is going to be off, as you can see right there. Yeah, plug and play. So here's the factory switch. Why I'm upgrading the third brake light is because I have a black truck. It has a Caribou. It's a King Ranch, right? It has a Caribou bottom accents on all the panels across the truck. But you know, with these black trucks, I like the blackout, murdered out look. I wasn't going for anything too crazy. I think I'll keep these factory, but when it comes to the third brake light, I just wanted a little bit of a change, which is why I'm going for a little more of a look. Second, wasn't really bright enough, and yeah, I think it'll look honestly better than the factory one. So this is strictly a cosmetic upgrade. All right, guys, so what's good about this light is that, one, I think it looks cool. We're about to see. 2, it comes with the gasket, and then 3, it's plug and play. All right, so this upgrade is fairly easy. All you need to remove is 2 screws. Okay, so all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. Remove 1 and 2 screws right there, and then boom, remove the plug, and it is off. All right, so this is gonna be fairly tough with one hand on the camera. So I'm just gonna talk this through. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and then throw on the 2 screws, and that's it. Let me go ahead and show you after everything's done with the brake lights. And voila. All right, so the light's on. Just 2 screws, nothing too crazy. Honestly, anyone can do it. Guys, that's pretty much it. There's definitely a lot of options out there. You know, at 50 bucks, it's not bad. I guess that can't go wrong. But guys, if you like this third brake light, I'll go ahead and post 1 or 2, 3 links down below in the description. Go ahead and check them out. Pretty simple upgrade. My third brake light was getting old. There were some cracks in it. It wasn't leaking any water. And so a good thing about that. But yeah, if you're looking for a different look, there's plenty of options out there. I like this one personally. I think the OEM one was about 60, 65, 70 bucks shipped, so it wouldn't have been too bad. But this one, 50 bucks. All right, so guys, if you have any questions, comments, go ahead and let me know down below. But until next time, see y'all.